Hey everybody, so it's HD here. We're here with one of our favorite customer. He called me to set this truck up with all the stuff that he needs to do his jobs. So we're gonna do it. I'll show you what it looks like, and it is a big truck. It is a big truck. I'll try to get him on camera. I'm not sure if he wants to go on camera, but I'll show you. So this is what the truck looks like right now, and we're gonna plumb it and move things around. Make sure he's having enough space in here to hold his stuff. These two tanks right here is gonna be for water, and he has all these reels right here, all of it. We're gonna set it up and make sure everything works the way that he wants it to work. All right, so we're gonna put this pressure washer right here. We're gonna mount it. He said he's gonna get this table painted, so I'm just gonna make the holes and just kind of put it down, and he can put it back. And then this bottom one, we're gonna mount it also. So I already plumbed everything over here. I already plumbed it. It's just to put the hoses. So I'm just doing it like systematically, if that's the word. Placing everything in there, we run hoses after. So we're getting it done. Okay, so we just did most of the plumbing inside. We're gonna put the soft wash wheel outside under the truck. do you like the truck?
Love it, bro. This guy's the man, man. He came out here, worked super hard on my truck, helped me out so much, gave me new ideas. We changed it up 5, 6, 7 times.
Yeah.
Customer service, that's where it's at. He's the man. Thank you so much.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Thank you.